An attractive site name will help your target visitors easily find you amongst other sites. When you partner with us, you can easily register a unique name for each of your sites. You can choose your first domain name at sign up from a variety of extensions at a really attractive price. We offer you the capabilities to register a brand new domain, or you can use an existing domain by transferring it over to us. Also, we can simply host it at no extra cost. Unlike most other control panels, our point-and-click domain manager tool is directly integrated into your web hosting control panel to give you complete control over each of your domains. We will provide you with so many features for your domains. You can edit a domain name server to point it to another host, set all types of custom DMS records, generate an EPP key for transfer operations, create subdomains, i.e. separate other sites under your main domain, set redirections after URL changes, and many other useful controls, all accessible from one place. If you prefer to keep your personal or business details out of the public eye, you can simply edit your Whois information and enable Whois protection. Not only that, with us you can quickly get an SSL for your domain with enterprise class encryption at a price you will like. Helpful quick video tutorials will guide you through the domain controls if you need any assistance. Also, with our one-click popular web applications installer, you can set up sites for your domains in no time. Our support team will be with you 24 hours a day just in case you need any kind of help managing your domains and sites. We can guarantee that your sites will be online 99.9% of the time, so sign up today to ensure you have total control and security for your sites.